How do I condition myself to be comfortable taking risks? How do I bypass my mind and realize that delay kills opportunities?
You can't get yourself to do what it takes. One of the things that you could do, kind of like a mind hack, you could say, sometimes instead of focusing on what needs to be done and what you're gonna get, focus on, not all the time, but ask yourself, what is the cost of inaction? What is it gonna cost you if you don't do something, right? Because sometimes maybe you're not willing to do something to get whatever that you want, but staying where you are today, if you don't do something, how much does that cost you? That should give you the motivation that you need to take the risk, the necessary risk to get what you want. Because when you know that when you don't do something, it's not just making a decision. Indecision is the decision. When you don't do something, you are doing something. Indecision is the decision of its own. You're wasting time, you're wasting opportunities, you're wasting your potential. And life is short. One thing I notice is as I get a little bit older, and I'm not that old. In my 20s, I don't see this. In my 30s, you see this a lot more. There are people that you know, the people that you admire started passing away. And it's one, next one. Even people around you could be your parents, your relatives, the people that you know. It reminds me how short life is. It truly is. We don't have a lot of years, 60, 70 years on this little blue planet. It's not a long time, right? Depends on how old you are when you're watching this video. Life is so short and you want to make the most out of it with the little time that we have. By not taking that risk, you are taking a risk. By not taking the action, it is an action of its own. There's a price you have to pay. When you understand that, damn, that should motivate you, man. What's the harm? What have you got to lose? Go for it. Make some mistakes. What's the big deal? It's not gonna kill you, right? It's not life and death. It's not life and death. Take that risk. By the end of your life, all the regrets you have, it's not the things that you did do, it's the things that you didn't do. And one of the things I've learned is this. I want to leave you with a quote. Hell on earth is meeting the man or woman that you could have been. That's my piece of advice for you.